Good morning, my dear friends. Today we have the newspaper of 6th May 2025, and we start with the first news of the day that Home Ministry directs states to conduct civil defense drill. Countrywide exercise to include air raid, siren, evacuation plan, and camouflaging vital installations. Mock drill to begin tomorrow and continue till Friday, amid escalation tension between India and Pakistan following the Pahalgam attack. Putin dial Modi to signalize support in fighting against terror. Israeli cabinet approve plan for Gaza conquest with expansions of military. Probe plan file report on discovery of half-burned case at SC Judge home. In Murshidabad, CM says communal right incident planned by select few. A day before protest, top SKM leader put under house arrest. Bihar Assembly elections will be the first test of CPI-M as call to defeat BJP MA Baby. Rajasthan BJP leaders reach Gujarat to attend governance camp. Congress questions need. In the remote MP hamlet, unprecedented civic push following a horrific crime. Siddaramaiah promised internal quota for SCs. Comprehensive survey begin. Over 65 teachers deploy as enumerators with one supervisor for every 10 to 15 supervisor. Plan to submit report within 60 days of data collection. International Varsity looking to establish campus in TNPTR. Sonu Nigam issue apology after backlash over Kannada song Row. Flamboyant festival mark opening of famed Thrissur Puram in Kerala. CM Naidu order release of compensation of lightning strike victim and farmers. Uncertainty continue over Kerala PCC chief post. Samit Patra meet BJP MLAs Kuki Jo group in Manipur. CBI Director Parveen Sood likely to get 1 year extension. SC pursue report on audio tape linked to former Manipur CM. CGI bow out of work case leave hearing of successor Justice Gavi. Assam village open transfer of organizing field for logistic park. Post in the treaty hold. India restored to untimely release of water from JK Dam on Chenab River. Ladki Bahan scheme aid cannot be hiked to 2,100 Minister. Congress mocking demoralizing defense forces, alleges BJP. Japan offer full support to India in the wake of Jammu and Kashmir attack, condemn terrorism. India-Pakistan tension at its boiling point, say UN chief, call for calm. Increase in tension could impair Pakistan's access to external finance, Modi. The huddle to discuss reimagining India's federalism. More cyber attack from Pakistan-based group come to light. Government online spare in SC over GST on game of skill and chance. Center contended that betting or wagering on any kind of game, whether chance or a skill base, is gambling. Practitioner says fundamental issue is the ancient exception given to game of skill. World Bank official to represent India at IMF Executive Board, V. Parameswaran Iyer. India registers its strong protest with Canada after pro-Khalistan Toronto rally. The rally raised religious slogan and sought explosions of Canadian of Indian origin. Parachutes for uncrewed ISRO mission flag off. Activists ask center to withdraw genome editing. Rise Veracity say is unsafe. India's Forest Right Act stands apart from exclusionary laws globally. Most of the world biodiversity regions are in indigenous indigenous communities have traditionally lived and governed. They have protected biodiversity and nurtured it while being nurtured in return. Laws that secure their tenure and recognize their right can be strengthened traditional governance. Spain blackout highlight the grid challenges for renewables. They message from putting the IWT in abeyance. Leverage water resources as a strategic tool may provide short-term benefit but could end up harming India. Redrawing the not so pretty energy footprint of AI. Small nuclear reactors could be the energy answer to support booming AI and data infrastructure. The Vizhinjam port offer enormous economic benefit for India. Caste of character. Caste census present both challenges and opportunity. For the first time since 1931, census forms will record the caste of India's, but questions remain on the extent of the impact that data would have on India's affirmative action program. Detaining non-citizens and the rule of law. Assam immigration's detention regime is not just a threat to the liberty and well-being of those caught up within it, it also raises important questions of constitutional principles. Hydrogen versus battery, the cost of clean public transport. At present, hydrogen fuel cell based and truck cost 20 to 30% more than their battery electric counterpart. Toward a green tomorrow. The implications of caste enumerations. While there is a vast political leadership who come through the lenses of OBC politics, there has also been a concentration of certain OBC communities in these spaces. The upcoming census, which caste enumerate, could create a window of opportunity for the inclusion of those communities who have been left behind. Samyukta Maharashtra. How a linguistic movement built a state. Maharashtra Day has been celebrated since 1960 on May 1st, along with International Labour Day. Looking back at history of the formation of a state, one must acknowledge the contributions of Lok Sahir, Anna Bahu Sate and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. At WTO, US queries India PLI scheme for specialty steel. Scheme aim is to reduce import of high-grade steel, attain self-sufficiency, say India, which was net importer in financial year 25 for the second year in a row. Auto retail sales rise 3% in April, led by two-wheelers, tractors. Mahindra and Mahindra Q4 net surges 22% to 2,437 crore. Samsung fight 520 million India's tax demand, point to Reliance practice. SEBI train lands on listed companies linked to Mahadev betting app case. Federal Reserve likely to be defy Trump keep rate unchanging this week. EU power grid need $1 trillion upgrade. BOG see window for rate hike narrowing. OPEC health crude oil market look like it catching a cold Russell. Trump to reopen defunct Alcatraz prison to house ruthless offenders. Case trap Maldivian sign deal worth 8.8 billion with Qatar. US and Israel bomb Yemen after strike on Israel airport. Audis. Francis Pope mobile converted into clinics for Gazian children. Trump threatened 100% tariff on film made outside the US. Women children among 19 killed in Israeli Gaza strike. Bangladesh court order arrest of detained Hindu monk Chinmay Das. Sri Lankans to vote in local government election today. George Schumann, the nationalist who topped Romanian's presidential veto, a 38-year-old leader of Hard Right Alliance for the Unity, will face a pro-Western reformist in May 18 runoff that could reshape the European Union, NATO membership countries' geopolitical direction. A supporter of Trump, he says his party is perfectly aligned with the MAGA movement. Europe launches a drive to attract researchers after US frees fund. Under this news, the EU has said that they will spend more money for research to upgrade research in EU. Catholic Church's direction hang in balance as conclave loom. Rain Reagan as sunrises hope and great escape for capitals. Why Indians double stars deserve more respect and recognitions. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.